I don't have time. Like, we've moved there and there's so much to do. So I need to think about what I prioritize and how I actually, yeah, how I spend my time and how I prioritize my time. And that is why I'm going to create a mini marketing manager for my own authorship and yeah, my own brand on social media that can help me produce, not help me produce social media posts, but help me become a lot faster when it comes to producing things for my Facebook page, my author page on Facebook, and my Instagram. Maybe even like, maybe I'll even get some ideas for TikToks there. I want to do this so I get more time to write and do the things like this, like filming videos and doing the things that I find that I get the most joy out of. And yeah, so today I'm going to build my own GPT, and it's going to be a social media strategist that can help me that I can bounce off ideas with, that can, help me proofread copy for me and stuff like that. And the reason why I wanted to share it with you guys is because this is something a lot of people like me who work with marketing, a lot of us, this is what we do. We find ways so that AI can help us become faster and better, and so that we can get more out of the time that we have. And like everything, like I work a lot with paid marketing, so AI and machine learning, like all the algorithms are already based on AI. So AI is not something scary, it's not something dangerous. It's more like a tool that we can use to help us become better so we can have more time to spend with friends and family, I guess, and to do the things that we love. And that is why I know that a lot of you guys too are struggling with, coming up with ideas on how to, how to post regularly on social media. And that is why I wanted to share how I'm going to build my GPT. It will be a learning curve. I have not done this for my personal brand before. I've done this in work situations for companies before, but yeah, let's dive in and start ChatGPT and see what we can build. And I hope that some of you get inspiration and also try to, build an AI assistant that can help you. Because if you look at the statistics when it comes to who is using AI, roughly 30% is using AI. But the problem is that it's the same 30% that started using AI when AI came out. So only 30% here in Sweden uses AI. And that means that those people like me, we've been using AI since it became a thing. And the people who hasn't used AI might be lagging behind, because AI will, one thing that I think a big misconception, especially in the writing world, is that like, yeah, but AI can't do this and this and that. AI will usually be as good as the prompter. So if I become good at prompting, the end result will become a lot better. So this is why I'm building a GPT, because I'm going to put in like my brand. I'm going to train it in the way that I speak and my tone of voice, and like the things that I want to, no, the things that I already do, so that it can be like a real assistant that knows me personally and that I can bounce ideas off of. So yeah, I'm going to start up ChatGPT now, and I'm going to start a screen recording so you guys can see it. Hang on a minute. As I said, you have to have the paid version of ChatGPT to do this. And I have, and then you go up into the right corner and click on My GPTs. And then you click on Create a GPT. And like now that we go into the Create a GPT, it says, hi, I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products, or make a software engineer who helps my code. What would you like to make? So the first step here is to describe what I would like to make. And okay, I want to build a social media manager who whom helps me reach new followers and build a bigger audience for me as an author. The primary platforms are Instagram and Facebook. Okay, let's just start there and see what we get back from ChatGPT. So it says that it's updating my GPT. Great, now let's choose the name of your social media manager. How about author growth? How about author growth strategies? Let me know if you want to tweak it. It sounds great. Awesome. Now let's build a profile. Let's create a profile picture for your author strategies. I'll generate one right now. Let me know if there are any adjustments. Oh, and the one that it created was actually a book with an arrow on it, and I kind of like it, so it looks great. Thanks. You're welcome. Now that author growth strategies is set up, let's try the preview. Let me know if there are any more refinements or additional features. What's the first thing you need help with? And the thing is, like, for some people, maybe this is enough, but I want to feed my GPT with a lot more information about my brand and about the tone of voice that I already have for posts that has been successful in the past. Because the thing is, the more information I put into the GPT, the better it will be at giving me out the results that I want. So let's keep going here. I want to give you more. So my brand identity, my vision is to inspire writers to live up to their potential and follow their dreams. My core values are creativity, personal growth, persistence, and curiosity. And my unique selling point is that I'm a marketing professional, an author, and a communication specialist, and I'm also a productivity maniac. And the tagline that I use here on YouTube as well, I think, is that I want to help authors turn their dreams into achievements, one story at a time. Then I have my color palette. And these are things that I created previously for my brand. I have designed my website after this. I use these colors in social media already. And if you want me to make a video about building a brand as an author, let me know and I'll create one, of course. But yeah, I think this is enough. Yeah, so I'm putting that in. So it's updating my GPT again. Yay, got it. Your brand identity is integrated. Ensuring all strategies align to your vision. Would you like to add more details, content themes, or target audience specifics? And that is very interesting because, of course, I do have a target audience in mind. So I'm going to write that. Target audience is so I told the GPT my target audience, and then I asked if I should put in some posts that has performed well for me in the past. So I'm going to do that now. And then after that, I think I'm going to put in my websites, the links to my websites, my social media profiles, so that the GPT always knows where to pull information from. So let's see here. I should go. So I go into Meta Business Suite, my Facebook Business Suite, and then I go to Insights. Let me see, and Content Overview. And I want to have more than, maybe I'll just look at the last 90 days and see here. And I don't want to see stories, so I'm going to actually filter them away. Just post, thank you. And then let me see here. So like one of my main goals right now is to get more and more engagement and more reach. So I'm going to look at both the impressions, which one perform best when it comes to impressions. Oh. And see if there's anything here. Okay, so when it comes to impressions, like reels work a lot better for me than posts, as you can see here. Okay, so maybe not. So maybe not the first one here. What it is basically that goes really well for me seems to be writer memes. First one up. And here is one where I just talk to the camera. Let me see if there are any posts as well that has performed well. Things that perform well when it comes to photos for me are things when I are personal. So I'm just gonna write that. Photos. Now I've given ChatGPT some examples on posts that has worked well for me in the past. I've also provided it with the links to all of my platforms. This includes like my the website for my business, the website for my author courses, my Instagram account, and my Facebook account. And I've also written that I plan to post on Facebook 1 to 2 times a week, and that I plan to post on Instagram every day. And on Instagram, I want to post 2 videos each week, 2 carousels each week, and 3 photos each week. And the reason why I want to mix and match there is because the CEO of Instagram has said that if you want to grow on the platform, it's really good to mix and match the different formats, because they reach out to different people, and that's how you like new people can see you, but you will also engage with the people who already follow you. So that's the plan. And yeah, now we're gonna see what ChatGPT says back to us here. It's updating the GPT. Your content strategy and posting schedule are now fully integrated to author growth strategies. This will help ensure all recommendations align with your approach. Would you like help refining engagement strategies, analyzing trends, and automating content planning? Yes, please. This is exactly what I want to have my GPT for. So yeah. Great, let's start with engagement strategies. Since memes, personal stories, and marketing guides perform well for you, here are ways to boost engagement. So, okay, now it's giving me feedback on how to boost engagement here. Instagram stories, use polls, Q&A stickers, and countdowns for upcoming launches. Reels, add trending audio to increase discoverability. Captions, end or with a question and a call to actions. Next step, would you like me to help with an automation plan, hashtag research, and content repurposing across platform? Yes, please. Please. So automation plan. Maintain consistency without burnout. Consider scheduling and repurposing content. So scheduling tools, Meta Business Suite. Yes, I already do use that one. Content batching. Yes, exactly. This is the plan. And also use Canva, reposting strategy, and hashtags. When it comes to hashtags, the CEO of Instagram has said that they're considering not using hashtags anymore. That is why the new recommendation when it comes to hashtag is to only use somewhere between 3 and 5 hashtags. So that is why I have quite a small account on Instagram still. So that is why I'm probably only going to use the low competition ones, because I don't have enough power in my account to go up against the really big accounts within the writing niche. You've provided everything I need to deliver a top-notch social media strategy tailored for your brand goals. As you start implementing these plans, I can help you analyze performance, adjust strategies brainstorm fresh content ideas. Just let me know whenever you need support. Would you like a monthly check-in? Would you like a monthly check-in strategy to tackle? Yes, please. Oh, please. Oh, nice. This I will probably add to my Notion board. Okay, so I think we're done. And now I'm going to now that we've done this, I'm going to click create. And so now we can go into view GPT here, and it already has like some questions here. My author growth strategists. And yeah, and if I want to like fine tune it, I can always edit the GPT. Let me see here. And configure it, and that's where you see like all the things that we've actually put into it. You can upload files to it and do all kinds of things. So that's it for today. I'm not gonna share when I start using it because this video is already too long. But if you want me to do more videos like this, let me know in the comments and I will keep on sharing how I work with social media. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.